or D model, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. It's converted. You look at the wheels, they're not quite the same, especially the drive sprocket, as the wheels on a 251.
So this is there's two different models of a 251, isn't there?
251s were built, the Germans had what they call Ausführung, which means basically model or type. So they start with an A, yeah, and you can tell the A. If you come to the front of the A had a thing like that. This armour piece at the front was like pointed. Yeah? Then you go to a B, there's not very many of them around, and then they went to the C. The C, the armour was much more complicated. You had an armoured piece came out here for this, and this piece here.
Yeah. This piece here, instead of being welded like this, the other piece of armour went in like that, and the boxes were on like a what we supposed to call a mud guard, but it's actually a dust suppressor. Yeah. So this part, this is the D version, and they simplified the armour to make them easier to produce.
What are you looking at? The gun. It's not a gun. It's a machine gun. Yeah.
It's an assault rifle.
It's an assault rifle.
You got it wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it basically is. Yeah. The tracks on this are slightly different. So these are post-war tracks. What they did in Czechoslovakia was they started producing these things, but they had to make them NBC compliant. So they put a roof on it. We cut the wall. They cut. The guy who owns it cut the roof off and turned it back into.
Put the kettle on. We'll be back soon.
We'll be back. Smoke me a kipper.
And is that the exhaust?
Yes, that's the exhaust, engine, and compressor inside that hood there. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's it, mate. That's where it all is. Josh, you've got your lighter?
I'm sorry if you've been. I reckon you've been asked this question lots today, haven't you?
Probably not. Go on.
Oh.
Right. Go on, ask me the question then.
I was wondering if you've been asked this question about this particular armoured vehicle a lot today, or.
That's part of my job, my boy, to go through what this is. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we get asked a lot about it. It's just we try and, you know, I mean, a lot of people haven't seen them before even, so.
Not many around.
No.
Common dealers had one and they sold it off.
Yeah. I think there's about 20 half tracks in Britain all told. Something like that. We're just lucky we get to play with this one.
Is this a hired one at all, or own one?
Well, no. This belongs to a company called History in the Making, and they are paid basically to put on shows, do filming, that kind of thing. Yeah. So they get paid to bring this sort of stuff along to the show, and we come along to sort of crew it and talk about it and do all that kind of thing. You know what I mean?
Are those live blanks in that thing? No?
This one's
Deactivated, yeah.
I was going to say, because they've got the heads on them.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, so it would have been an instant kill if you fired that thing.
Oh, yeah.
it'll tear you apart. It'll tear you apart.
Could those easily they wouldn't be able to shoot through this thing, would they? No.
That's
Too
what
bulletproof, isn't it?
Yeah, it's bulletproof. It's a battlefield taxi.
That's
That's
It's designed to protect you against small arms fire.
that's why it's an angle, so the
Yeah,
bullets
the
bounce off.
bounce off.
Yeah, that's why it's like that, isn't it? I wonder how much this cost to build. Fucking hell. About a few grand or more. Well, every single piece when put it together is a whole full vehicle. Isn't it?
I don't know how much they cost to build. Bloody hell.
He's aiming at that full focus thing whatever it is over there. That yeah, good old target, isn't it?
Hello, there's the
Well.
front there.
Yeah, cheers, my man.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll let you carry on. So.
Yeah, I'll see you again. I'll expect you to go.